So this is my first POV video, and I've used this on my head looking like an idiot to record it. So here it is. So stupid. There we go, McDonald's! Yay! I've not had one for ages actually. Right, so I've got the stupid thing back on. I've got my F30s, and I'm going to take a slightly longer way back. I'm going to go through the motorway just to show a bit more about the acceleration and stuff. Honestly, the potholes in Scotland, in Glasgow especially, are so bad. Actually, I can be in this lane. Oh, I'm excited for my McFlurry. What is it from McFlurry here? And delicious. Let's go. Hopefully after this COVID situation it will get better, the roads will become of better quality. So I'm in second gear now, just put my foot down a little bit, third gear, and as you can see, acceleration is very smooth. I'm not putting my foot all the way down, just a little bit, and yeah, accelerates really well. And we are at 70 miles an hour. like this, you can cruise for ages. It's just so comfortable, soft, smooth. But that was just to show you. We're gonna come off here and then take this car back home. There we go. I usually leave it in second, it's because that's what I'm used to, and that's it. There we go. The drive is finished. Now I can take my ice games. See where the key is. There's the key. There's me looking all stupid with the camera. I can take my... Oh, come on. I hate this. Ah. Stupid place. Hopefully it doesn't make any difference. Oh, come on, I'll deal with this stupid swipes. I knew something like this would happen, so that's why I got those swipes. Oh, I'm not getting this back yet. No, this is me off. That's you. Okay. I'm not gonna get any McFlurries anymore in my BMW. Just gonna ruin the seats. Oh, come on. Okay, okay, we should be all good now. I'm not sure if those mirrors are automatic or not. I don't think they are, so I just have to fold them myself. There we go.